Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to edit video with 20 photo and 2 videos, as we know that this video is going viral on Instagram. And also I will tell you how to get audio of this trend. So I will show you on my mobile screen how to edit this video in just 1 minute. So for this we need application called Inshot. So this is an application. You can see more than 100 million downloads and 4.8 rating. So I will add application link in my video descriptions also. So this will be a application interface. So you need to click on video. So before going to this application, you should have n number of photos and videos. For example, if you want to post 20 photo and 2 video, then you should have a 20 photo and 2 video in your phone. So after that, just click on video and click on new. Then here we will go to a video section and you can select a video. So you can change the style like wherever you want to post a video and a photo. So for now I will select one video, then few photo, then again video, then again I will add few photo. So I will go to photo and I will select few photo here. Here you can see. Now again I will go back to video section and I will select another video, and again I will go back to photo here and I will select few photo again, and again I will select one small video. Now click on this tick mark here. So now it is ready, but you can see the duration is 1 minute 13 seconds, but we need to cover this entire video in 8 seconds, 7 to 8 seconds. So what we will do, we will decrease the duration. Like this is 4 seconds, I will reduce it to 1.7. so you can minimize the size. Here you can see how I am doing minimize. Just drag and just keep 1 seconds or 0.2 something like this. So here you can see how I am scrolling here. So you need to do it in this way. So yeah, so the first part is done. Now this is a video. I will keep it 1.2. now this is a photo here. So now the total duration is 7.5. it is fine, you can keep up to 8 seconds. So now I will click on save. So you can select the quality. I will select as 1080p. So it will take few seconds for editing. So now we will go to Instagram and we will post this video, and I will also show you how to get that trending audio for this video. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and search for a profile name as Hitech Talk. So this is my Instagram profile, and go to reel section, and here you can see I have posted one video. So I will click on this and I will reduce the volume due to a copyright issue. Here you can see. Okay, so you just need to click on this audio clip here and use this audio and select a video that we have edited. Okay, so just select this video, and so now the video is ready. I have decreased the volume of this music due to a copyright issue, and click on add. Now click on edit. So now the post is ready. So if you want to add a text as 20 photo and 2 video, then just add 20 photo and to video. Okay, so in this way you can change the color and you can place wherever you want, and you can post this reel, share. So this is how you can edit this video and post it in your Instagram reel. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.